Meaning of elderly.
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 Elderly. The term elderly refers to individuals who are in the later stage of life and have aged beyond middle age. The definition of elderly varies depending on the context, but generally refers to those who are 65 years of age or older. Elderly individuals may experience physical and cognitive decline, resulting in a need for assistive devices and increased healthcare services. Despite these challenges, many older adults continue to lead active and fulfilling lives, contributing to their communities and families. It is important to respect and support the elderly population as valued members of society.